Dear students, research scholars, and faculties of different colleges and universities, we are in the virtual platform at the pandemic situation. I am able to reach you through this platform, and now we are more than 1K family for your appreciation and subscription of our specific educational channel QGO. So, thanks to all of you. We know scale is the most important characteristics of a map. In this video, we will discuss the simple linear scale and comparative linear scale. Before starting the videos, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Preconception of scale. Dear students, you had already learned the minimum conception, primary conception about scale in your earlier classes. Now, before discussing about the preconception, we will discuss the simple linear scale or plain linear scale and comparative linear scale in this video. Here, scale is the ratio between map distance and ground distance. You had already learned this. Scale are represented by three ways. One is by word or statement, by ratio, or by linear representation. By word, by ratio, or by linear representation. Now, here is by word. 1 centimeter to 500 meter. That is, 1 centimeter map distance is equivalent to 500 meter ground distance. 1 centimeter map distance is equivalent to 500 meter ground distance. This portion is the map distance, and this is the map, and this portion is ground distance. Okay, clear? Now, by ratio, here RF 1 is to 50,000. That is, RF is stand for representative fraction. Again, RF is a representative fraction. Here 1 is the numerator, this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. In Bengali, we say numerator, that is lob, and denominator hor. One is lob or numerator, 50,000 is hor or denominator. In RF scale, numerator must be 1. In RF scale, numerator must be 1, and denominator may be something. Just remember this. You had already learned this. Now we can say 1 centimeter. Here we can put the centimeter, and here also we can put centimeter. Here centimeter, here centimeter. Now we can put here inch. Here also we can put inch. Okay. In this way, we can represent the ratio scale. Numerator must be 1, and that will represent the map distance, and denominator may be something that will represent the ground distance. But the unit of numerator and denominator will be the same. Be remember, unit of numerator and denominator will be same, as it is a ratio. Okay. And third is the by linear representation. Third is the linear representation. You can represent this way. Now we are going to direct problem sum. Here is the linear scale. A problem is draw linear scale to show 3 kilometer and 1 kilometer primary and secondary division respectively for the map where area of a park is represented by 3.1 centimeter into 3.2 centimeter. This ground area is 9 kilometer. Also calculate the RF. Okay, this is the problem sum for linear scale. So we can proceed here, calculation of RF. Now as per the question, the area 3.1 and 3.2 centimeter, which ground area is 9 square kilometer, by doing root in both side. Okay, by doing root in both side, we can write in this manner. Now here 3.149 centimeter is equal to 3 kilometer. So we can write in this manner 3 into 10 to the power 5 by 3.149 centimeter, that is 95268 centimeter. So we know RF is equal to map distance by ground distance. Here 1 centimeter, here this the 1 centimeter map distance, and here the 95268, it is the ground distance. Okay, map distance and ground distance, by this way we can write here RF is equal to 1:95268. Okay, now every sum has two parts. One is the calculation and another is the drawing part. Now come to the calculation part. As we have the RF 1:95268, so by the condition we know primary division is equal to 3 kilometer and secondary division 1 kilometer. So step 1 for primary division, remember it, write in this manner. Step 1 for primary division. Okay, here 95268 centimeter on the ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map. In this way 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 95268 centimeter. We know we have to calculate 3 kilometer for primary division, so here it is 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer is equal to 3 to the power 10 to the 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So we can calculate 3 kilometer is equal to 3.149 centimeter. Okay, so the one primary division on the map is equal to 3.149 centimeter. In this way we can calculate the step 2 for secondary division. Here one primary division is equal to one primary division on the ground divided by one secondary division on the ground. So primary division is equal to 3 kilometer, 1 kilometer here. So one primary division is equal to 3 secondary division. Now step 3 for total length of the scale. We know 3.149 centimeter on the map represented by the 3 kilometer on the ground. We multiply here the numerical value, which will be 14 to 16 centimeter, which will be 14 to 16 centimeter for our better representation of a scale. So we can put here a numerical value, which will be, the result will be within 14 to 16 centimeter. In centimeter scale it will be 14 to 16, but in inch scale it will be 4 to 6 inch. Okay, drawing part. By taking the total length of the scale, we just draw the 3 parallel line, then the angular line, it will be 32 30 to 35 degree for better representation. Okay, this angle will be 30 to 35 for better representation. And divide the line into 5 equal part. As we multiply 5, so after dividing this point, join the last point to the last end of the scale, then do the parallel line of the last line, and then divide the scale for primary division. 5 equal part. Now one primary division will be divided for 3 secondary division. So you have to draw a perpendicular here, also here, then divide it into 3 equal part, then it will be divided in 3 part. Okay, in this manner we can draw the linear scale. Here is a problem sum of comparative linear scale. Here comparative linear scale in kilometer and mile unit. Here remember that one scale will be kilometer scale and another scale will be the in mile scale, that is mile unit, with suitable primary and secondary division. Here primary and secondary division has not been given to you. You have to choose the primary and secondary division. Okay, and also you have to calculate the RF of the map, because here given distance between two stations in map and distance between two stations in ground. Okay, so let's go. Here the calculation of RF. As per the question, we know map distance between two stations is 6.315789 centimeter, which ground distance is 6 kilometer. Okay, so we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 95000 centimeter. Okay, because 6 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 6.315789 centimeter. Okay, now we know RF of the map distance. RF is equal to, we know, map distance by ground distance. RF is the ratio between map distance and ground distance. So here 1 centimeter map distance, and here this is the ground distance. Okay, now cut the centimeter into centimeter, so we can get RF 1:95000. Now calculation part. As we have the RF 1:95000, so let primary division 3 kilometer and 3 mile, secondary division 1 kilometer and 1 mile. Now step for primary division. We can write from this RF 95000 centimeter on the ground. Centimeter on the ground is represented by 1 centimeter on the map. So it is the for kilometer scale. 1 centimeter represented by 1 by 95000. In this way 3 kilometer. We here the 3 kilometer, show the primary division will be 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 5 centimeter divided by 95000, so 3.16 centimeter. So the total length of the scale, primary division of the scale, one primary division of the scale will be 3.16 centimeter. Now for secondary division, one primary division is equal to one primary division on ground divided by one secondary division on the ground. So one primary division is equal to 3 kilometer by 1 kilometer equal to 3 division. So one primary division is equal to 3 secondary division. Okay, for the total length of the scale, 3.16 centimeter on the map represented by 3 kilometer on the ground. Here remember it is a comparative linear scale, so centimeter scale will be shorter than the mile scale. So we multiply here 3 in both side and gets the value 9.48 centimeter and is equal to 9 kilometer. Okay, so total length of the centimeter scale is 9.48 centimeter. Now for the mile scale, for primary division 95000 inch on the ground is represented by the 1 inch on the map. In this way we can calculate 3 mile is equal to 3 into 6 3360 inch is equal to here 2 inch. So one primary division is equal to 2 inch on the map. Okay, one primary division is equal to 2 inch on the map. For secondary division we have to calculate in this manner, in this way one primary division is equal to 3 secondary division. Okay, for the total length of the scale we can use here 2 inch on the map is represented by 3 mile, so 2 inch into 3. Remember that in centimeter scale we multiply 3, so we have to multiply same numeric value here in both side, so we get the 6 inch. Why we take the lower value in centimeter scale? Because we know the inch scale or mile scale will be the larger than the centimeter or kilometer scale, so it is the 6 inch. Now we are going to the drawing part. See how we can draw it. See the small video recording of this portion and this is the final drawing. Okay, draw a straight line along the center of the paper with 9.48 centimeter for the centimeter scale. Here 9.48, just taking from 10 19.48. Okay, now with the help of diagonal scale, 1/8 part, here the 1/8 part, 1 inch is divided by 8, so 1/8 part. By using this division, take the point for drawing the another 2 line parallel to the first line. Now just draw the line draw the 2 parallel line and this line will measure 9.48 centimeter. Here 9.48 centimeter. Okay, now taking the arrow marks on the diagonal scale, putting on the uppermost line, draw the vertical line for the margin of the scale. Here you also draw the vertical line for the margin of the scale, and then draw angular line from the upper left end with at least 30 to 35 degree with 3 equal part. As we multiply 3 with 1 primary division for getting the total length of the scale, now we have to use the set square we have to use the set square to draw the parallel line of the end line. Here is the end line of the scale. Draw the line with long dotted line and extend the other parallel line from the point on the angular line to divide the scale into 3 equal parts. Okay, now we have to draw a perpendicular line on the left end of the scale with 3 equal part also, because 1 primary division is equal to 3 secondary division. Here 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and also from the upper line we can draw 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3 here, and 1 2 3 here. Okay, now connect the line from upper part of the paper and parallel to the each line up to the scale. Here now draw again by using vertical line, by using the set square. You always try to use the set square because the line will be exactly vertical. Now putting the vertical line, you draw here. In the same way, draw the parallel line from the with a certain distance. The distance from the scale, from the centimeter scale, as you like, which will be suitable for visualizing the scale. I just draw this type of line, and then total length of inch scale is equal to 6 inch. So we have to take the 6 inch. Okay, from here from the extended line here 0, we have to draw 1 primary division in left side. So by taking the 1 primary division in left side, and total length of the scale 6, here the 2 inch, and taking the point in 6 inch, we have to draw the same way vertical line with the division of distance of 1/8 of the scale. Here also 1/8. Now just join the line parallel to the upper line. And by using the set square, draw the marginal line. Here it is marginal line, and here it is marginal line for inch scale. Now erase the extra part of the scale by using eraser, and also here erase the extra part, and then in the similar way you have to draw an angular line in the lower side to divide the inch scale into 3 equal half. We can take a 12 centimeter angular line, taking the point 4, 8 and 12, 4, 8 and 12 for 3 equal division, and then draw the line by using set square. By using the set square, the parallel line here, and also and this line also meet with here. And again we have to draw a perpendicular line on the end of the inch scale to divide the primary division into 3 secondary division. Here 0.5 inch, 1 inch and 1 and 5 inch. In this way we also can take the distance here, .5 inch, here the 1 inch and here 1.5 inch. Okay, now just join the top line by small dotted line, then parallel to the line draw another 2 lines to divide the primary division into 3 equal part for secondary division, as we calculated 1 primary division is equal to 3 secondary division. And now by using the set square we have to draw the vertical line. We have to draw the vertical line like this to divide here, here, and also here. In this way you can complete the drawing portion, then leveling, heading and caging. After completing the leveling, that is here 0, here also 0, 3 6 kilometer, here 1 2 3 kilometer. In this way here 0 3 6 mile, here 1 2 3 mile, and you can fill the alternate box to for better impression of your scale, and also write the heading comparative linear scale. After completing this you have to draw a box gauging for gauging just parallel to the border. Take a parallel line from the border and draw here, suppose here 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter to 18 centimeter. You just draw a line 0.5 centimeter to 18 centimeter. And also here 0.5 centimeter to 18 centimeter, keeping the same margin in both sides, and then just join the lower portion and join the lower portion and also upper portion. Join the upper portion to complete a box. You have to write here leveling, here RF, here heading and also gauging. Remember that it is a kilometer scale, so write here kilometer, kilometer, and in the lower portion it is mile scale, write here mile and mile. And you can decorate your scale as you like, as you have got the time in examination hall. So prepare the scale, total scale in neatly and correctly. Okay, in this way we can draw the comparative linear scale. Here is the homework. A map with RF 1:50,000 has been reduced on 9th of its original size. Calculate the RF of new reduced map. On the basis of it, draw a comparative linear scale in kilometer and mile unit with suitable primary and secondary division. Answer clue has been given in description drop down menu. Please respond by the new RF in comment box of this video. Necessary instruction to submit your homework. After completing the homework, take photographs on your mobile and convert it .pdf. Watch the video how to make image to PDF in my video which link has been given in description drop down menu. Go to Google and write Dr. H.M. Kutubuddin. Click on theqgeo.com. Then go to the contact page. Click the button Submit your homework. Click on First Semester in Homework tab. Fill the Google form with PDF attachment and submit. And then I will see your homework and correct your homework, and I also inform you to your mobile number or your email. Okay. A little request: subscribe the QGeo channel and press the notification bell icon. Put a like and comment. Don't forget to share it to your classmates and friends. I will give the answer of your every comments. Thank you. With best wishes.